The Grinch. Let's go ahead and draw the cartoon version of the Grinch. We're gonna start with this hat right about here. Okay, you're gonna come up, just like that, and then hook it just like so. Can you do that? Now we're gonna bring it down, like so. A little bit of a dip, then out, and swerve down, just like that. Something like that. Then on the inside, you're gonna draw a line here. Good. And then hook that around to make this go down small to there. And take a thick line right here, and then a shadow line coming around. Awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the poof on the end of his hat. Draw one line there, a little bigger, a little bigger, almost like a U. Then come down on the other side and do the same thing. And then almost like a U. Then right here in the middle, we'll do a U. There it is. And now we're gonna draw that same kind of poofiness around his hat, okay? We'll start right down here, kind of like a U shape here. Good. And then stack it. And just keep it going. Okay. And do the same for the top. I like extending those according to what side I want to be dominant. There you go. Now, we're gonna draw his left part of his head. Just draw a line down like so. And then the right side, coming down as well. Just like so. Good. Now we can finish the top of his hat, or the side of his hat. And a little bit of a bubble here. And another one. Don't quite connect those. You can do a tiny one if you want. And then start tracing it back towards the head. Alright? Good. I'm going to bring this down just a little because it goes down into the hat. Now we'll draw the top of the poofs. Good. It's okay if yours looks a little different than mine. It won't be a problem, and it's okay. Alright, now we're going to draw this to come down with a V, like so. And the same over here, like so. Good. Right here in the middle, we're going to make our center line. And let's put the left eyebrow over the right. Bring it down like this. And then coming out of that, you're going to go to the right. And on the left side, you're going to bring it back with a snarl look. And the same on the right. With a snarl look. And then that devious eyebrows that he has. Let's make those kind of thick. Just draw lines outward. And reconnect and fill that in. Alright, and then do something similar over here with that. These lines out. Okay. And then draw it back and fill that in. Alright. Add a few details. He looks mad. Alright, we're going to go ahead and draw his cheek line. It's going to come down, a loop, and then straight down towards the nose. Then we're going to draw the nose. It's going to have like a upside down U right here. Okay, come out on this side, come out on this side. Good. And then on the bottom, it's kind of like it's his upper lip. There we go. Good. Now on this, you're going to draw his eye coming up like so. And on this side, the smaller side. Let's go ahead and add another lash there. Like that. And then same thing over here. And then connect the eye. Okay. And draw his eyeballs. Leave it a space for a glow. And fill those in. Okay, now we're going to finish the surrounding of his face. So let's start down here with his chin. And you're going to up and then out and stop right about there. Same thing over here. You're going to go up, out, and stop right about there. Okay, the reason we stop there is we want to add some to the outside of it, like so. And then we're going to come down from the top. So this is going to come back and out, and back, and out, and back, and out. And you're just going to continue that until you get down here. Okay, and down here you can make some details. Same thing over here. You're going to bring it back, then out, and back, and out, back, and out, back, and out. And you can come in and add those details. All right, let's go ahead and do his face. So from the middle of the nose, it's going to come down like so. And his smirk. You know, the Grinch's smirk. Yep, devious. And some details there, same thing on this side. And there's a little devious smile. Yep. Add a few more details here and there, thicken up a few lines, and we're ready to color. Alright, let's go ahead and color it. I'm going to speed this part up as I color, so follow totally in. And there you have it. There's the Grinch that stole Christmas. Hey, hope you like this one. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.